Back with another review and demo, and this time we are going to test out the NYX Marshmellow primer. I haven't used it yet, but I smelled it, I swatched it, and I'm super excited to show you guys how long it holds. I'm gonna do my makeup now. It's kind of late, it's already like 3 p.m, but I do have a long night, so I'm going to just do my makeup because my skin just looks very bad. I still have some blemishes from my allergic reaction, and I've just been using like gentle things on my skin. This is actually supposed to help your skin. It does have marshmallow root extract in it, so it's supposed to like smooth out your skin. It's supposed to make your makeup look so pretty. And I'm going to use drugstore makeup. I have a drugstore foundation, concealer, blush, bronzer. That's my stomach because I'm hungry, but super excited to try this out. So it does have a pump, which is great. I feel like the product amount is perfect, and I just love products with a pump. So this is the consistency. It's not super watery, it's not super creamy, it's pink, and it smells kind of like cotton candy, and I think this is a good amount. So it's mainly, oh, that's cold. It feels like a moisturizer on the face, and it just feels really nice on the skin. So I'm just gonna apply it everywhere, and my skin does get really red when I touch it, but I'm gonna cover all of this up. It does smell really nice, and it's a very popular primer right now in the drugstores. I believe they have it at Ulta, CVS, and maybe Target, I'm not sure. Go in to my whole face. Now, as of right now, my face does look matte. I do have dry skin, but my face does feel smoother with the primer. It doesn't feel sticky. Like, it feels kind of tacky, like it's gonna hold the foundation, but it doesn't feel sticky. So far it looks good. It makes my foundation look good. I don't know if I see a difference in my foundation. Now, I do still have texture skin from my previous allergic reaction. That's slowly healing, and I still have like tiny bumps on my cheek, but hopefully this primer helps out with that, with smoothing the skin. And for the foundation, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, which is one of my favorite foundations. It gives you like that natural skin-like finish, and it does last all day. Hopefully with this primer, it just looks smoother longer. For concealer, I'm taking my e.l.f. I have the hydrating one, and this is in the shade light beige, and then I have the lighter one, which is the mattifying concealer, and I'm using medium sand, so I mix both of them. This one's a little lighter, this one's a little deeper, so I mix both of them to get a good shade, and I like that this one's hydrating. So I apply this one first, just to get like that hydration. I did have my eyes done already, by the way. I have some eyeshadow and some liner, as well as my eyebrows are done. So you can leave it like that with the concealer if you would like. I'm just gonna go in a little bit lighter, just a little bit. If you guys tried this primer out, let me know. I know a lot of people are talking about it on TikTok. That's how I actually discovered it. But funny story, I was literally on my way to Ulta. Well, I wasn't on my way, I was about to leave my house, and I had a little list in my little journal of just like 5 products that I wanted to purchase to just try out and show you guys. So I was literally leaving my house, and I looked down and I see a NYX box, like a package, and I was like, no, they didn't. I was like, no, they didn't, because I was literally on my way, like leaving my house. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, this what if this is the Marshmellow primer? Like, this is crazy. But, you know, I was just like, I wasn't sure. So I go upstairs to my son's room and I open it. He's like, why are you so excited? I was like, because I'm literally on my way to Ulta to see if I can find this one primer. It's like a Marshmellow one. And then I'm like, but I just got a package from them. So let me see if this is it, because that would be insane. And it really was it. It was the primer. And it was also like the 2 long wearing lip products. But I didn't like the shades. I'm more like of a neutral, like nudes. They sent over a pink one and it was like a darker nude. And I tried it on my hand and that stuff would not budge. So I know that it's a really good product. I just want to know how it feels on my lips, because I have a bad habit of like picking at my lips. And I do have a dry skin, so I feel like just anything drying on my face bothers me or is uncomfortable. But that lip product looks really good. All right guys, so far my skin does look smooth. I feel like I was really on the hunt for a good primer, like something just simple. And I love products, like makeup products that have skincare like infused in it, so it's making your skin better while wearing the makeup. Because I have just very weird skin, like super sensitive. I break out off of like anything. And if something's gonna be helping my skin while I'm wearing makeup, because I love wearing makeup, I'm just like super happy about it. So I've heard really good things about this and I'm excited to keep trying it out. But so far, I'm gonna tell you guys, my skin looks really nice and smooth. My foundation just blended out really nicely. And that's another thing that I'm very picky with, is if my base isn't working and my foundation isn't blending correctly, like I'm not gonna use whatever primer that was, because I've used so many primers that I just hated how the foundation application turned out. But this one looks really nice and I'm very happy with it. It's very lightweight, so I really like that. I love comforts. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush lighter, which of course I'm gonna use like the golden shade, and this one's called I Met Someone. And for blush, I've been obsessed with this. Oh, it's also Wet n Wild. The Wet n Wild Keep It Peachy blush. Wet n Wild, you guys are just really doing it. It's like a very nice nude peach blush. For lips, I'm going to use my NYX Lingerie lip gloss. It's like a pink one. This one's called Bear With Me. I'm also going to use a little bit of Milani's bronzer, and this is in the shade Dolce. I was trying to find Glow when I purchased this guy, but I couldn't find it, and Dolce is like really similar to it. So that's what I'm going to use on my face to contour and bronze up the face. I'm going to take Rimmel London's Natural Bronzer. This is in the shade Sun Bronze. Really pretty bronzy color. So I'm going to take this fluffier brush by LaRousse Beauty. You guys, their brushes are so good. This is actually like, I don't know if this is a newer collection, but the color is different. Oh, I don't have their, oh yeah, here's one. This is like their original collection, I guess. All black mattes with like little studs. Amazing brushes. So if you guys are on the hunt for makeup brushes, definitely check them out. I'm putting them down below because amazing brushes. I have not been obsessed with makeup brushes in a while. I've just been using like the same old ones, but these, good. This one is, first time using it, LR309 blush brush. This one's super fresh. And I'm just going to grab some product. I like that it picks up a good amount. I'm just going to go on and do my whole face. So after I apply like bronzer and blush, I've been just applying translucent powder on my brush, on another brush, just blending everything together, and it just looks very seamless and flawless. There's like no harsh lines, and everything is being set with this powder. This is just like preference. I feel like it gives me more like of an airbrushed look. I feel like at the same time it just really just sets my makeup so nothing moves throughout the day. because I have a bad habit of forgetting I have makeup on, just because I love like a lightweight, you know, application, like nothing too heavy. So I'll just like put my hand on my face and forget. So I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight. This highlight is so pretty. This one right here. No, I feel like I haven't worn highlight in so long, just because we're always wearing a mask, so I feel like the highlight's just gonna like transfer and make everything super shimmery. It's all good though. You just have to do it sometimes, you know? Okay, so lips. I'm taking my NYX lip gloss. You guys prefer a glossy lip or a matte lip? I feel like people just have like their preference. I try to get into like the matte lips for a while, but I always pick at it and I'm like the worst at it. So I just like a gloss because I'm not going to touch it. Apply it to my lower lashes. So cute. Alright guys, so far I do like the whole application of the primer. I feel like it is a great primer. Oh, it says right here you can use it alone or use it with foundation. It does smooth out the skin. So on the website it says it retails for $17, which is not bad. But let's just read what the claims are. It's a 10-in-1 multitasker primer. It's also infused with smoothing marshmallow root extract with a soft whip texture, which is true. The primer dries down totally transparent to work with all skin tones. So it's supposed to prime your skin, smooth it out, soften, extend makeup wear for 16 hours, hydrate, soothe, even tone, minimize texture, blur lines, and adds a soft focus finish and keeps makeup fresh. It's 100% vegan formula and there are no silicones, which I really do appreciate because a lot of smoothing primers do contain silicone, and I feel like personally for me that clogs up my pores. My pores hate silicone, and that's why they get clogged, because of these primers that are supposed to smooth out the skin, but they contain silicone. So far I really do like the claims that this primer has, with the smoothing, with the hydrating, with the keeping your makeup more fresh and vibrant. I do have dry skin, so I do have some weird dry areas around my face that are really just flaky, and when I do apply any type of product it just clings on, but I don't see that right now, which is great. And I feel like you can like see a little sheen to my skin, like on this area right here. I'm not oily, but I do like that natural skin look that this primer does give, because I have tried this foundation obviously with other primers, like mattifying ones, and they don't have like this pretty sheen that I'm seeing. I'm super sensitive to smells, and I really do like this smell. I feel like this is a great primer if you are starting off with makeup, like, and you just haven't explored many primers, or you hate primers in general. Try this one out because it's really nice. I'm looking at the reviews and I see like great reviews on their website. It is very easy to use. It does smooth out your face, which is if you're gonna smooth out my skin and help my pores at the same time, then I want you in my life. I think $17 for the product size is not bad at all. It's just a simple primer. Like, you just don't make it complicated, make it simple, and that's what this primer is. So if you guys are on the hunt for this, I highly recommend you purchase it. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo and review. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.